The construction of the Hoover Dam was a feat of engineering that required novel techniques and groundbreaking technology. Engineers couldn't pour the concrete in one mass because the outer layers would cool and harden first, while the core stayed hot and expanded, causing dangerous cracks. Instead, they poured the dam in thousands of smaller blocks, allowing each section to cool and shrink evenly. But even with this method, the 6 million tons of concrete would have taken 125 years to cool naturally. To speed up the process, workers embedded 582 miles of steel water pipes in the concrete. A massive refrigeration plant chilled river water and pumped it through the pipes, reducing the cooling time from 125 years to just 22 months. Thanks to this system, the project was completed 2 years ahead of schedule. Construction began in 1931 and finished in 1936. Standing 726 feet tall and 1,244 feet long, the Hoover Dam was the tallest in the world at the time. Its 17 generators still supply electricity to Nevada, Arizona, and California, making it a critical power source for the region.